Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little trial pour. I'm going to use colour shift paints by Colour Art. I will show you them in a second. And I'm just working out how to mix the paints. They feel a bit too thick to use on their own. But I did a previous video and used a bit of pouring medium and they sort of went a bit gluggy and bitty. So I have been, putting out the message on my Facebook art page to ask what other acrylic artists that may use these do. And they said just a bit of your normal pouring medium, maybe with a bit of Floetrol. So that's what I have mixed my very few colours I'm going to use for the chain pulls I'm going to do. But this is setting up for my background. So I've done normal background in my black acrylic with my normal pouring medium, which is all the information is in the description below each video. I started off using that very wide palette knife to do a swipe and I didn't have much success, as you can see there. So I'm going to swap over to what I normally would do, is do the swipe with a soft plastic file divider. I just find these excellent tool for swiping paint. So that particular paint is Amsterdam White and it's only mixed with Australian Floetrol because I want to get those beautiful lacy cells, as you see popping up there, and that's going to be my background for when I do my colour shift paints. So the cells are definitely popping up nicely. I've got it on my spinner, so I'm going to spin a spinner, chicken dinner, and stretch that out a bit, and then I'll go on to the next stage. My next bit is the colour shift paints and mixed with as described before, and now I'm dipping the chain into the colour shift paints and I'm going to pull them through that paint. So let's see how we go. Wow. Love it. Just where the paint was very, a lot of extra paint, I've just a quick little balloon dip in there, balloon kiss. But actually love that blue against that black background. So hopefully when it's dry, we'll see more of the colour shift in the paint. But yeah, that is actually gorgeous. Really love it. I am going to move on to a next piece after this one. I'm going to try on the white background, so we'll see how that goes next. But super happy with that. Just fiddling now, just doing bits of odds and bods. Number 2, I'm just showing you what I do on the back of those little canvases. I just roll up some tape so it kind of makes it double-sided, and then it makes sure my little canvas is secure on my spinner. So yeah, it just makes it a lot easier than having my canvas fly off when I'm spinning it around. So this one's going to be exactly the same with a white coating, and then I will use the black Amsterdam lamp black with only Australian Floetrol to swipe it. So let's see how we go.
Away, a limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit I am slowly waking to see what's real, to finally heal. How will I cope without your word?
Wow, look at those cells. Oh, they're fantastico. Love it, love it. That's going to be a really nice background for my colour shift paints now for the next stage. So again, just giving it a gentle spin so it goes over the edges and coats my edges. But if it doesn't actually finish coating the edges, they can easily be done when the paint's dry or at the end of your embellishing that piece. So just a gentle spin there. So this time I go with a different colour. I think it's green. I'd have to go and have a look on the bottle what actual colour it was if you would like to know. And then I'm going to do exactly the same again on this background. Wow, wow, wow. Super happy with that. That is beautiful. I really do love this. I think I've got the mix a lot better than the other one I did before, which I said went like bitty and lumpy. I think this mix worked quite well just with my normal pouring medium. So look at that. I'm going to allow these to dry and then give them a nice varnish. And as you see, they just are absolutely stunning. Super happy with them. I will definitely be doing more, and I hope you have a go at it if you get it a little chance to. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Until next time, see if I can find something else to do. I'll say bye for now.